my first love. I wish I could say I wouldn't hurt you, 'cause baby, I wanted better or worse. You could have my love forever, you earned it. I just get down with you. Love what I found, don't mess around whatever we get into. We got the vibe, we got the juice, baby. That's how we I just get down with you. Love what I found, don't mess around whatever we get into. We got the vibe, we got the juice, baby. That's how
Does this soft close? We're in Ikea for like no reason. I don't need anything. We're just in Ikea and we're in the showrooms, which is my favorite place of Ikea.
Whip it up, babe.
This is my kitchen. Welcome. I have whatever this is. Dishwasher. This is my dishwasher.
You shouldn't be surprised about that.
Shut up. And these are drawers that I picked out, and they're soft close because, like, why not? I also have this cabinet, and it has a mug in it. Conveniently, is a mug for coffee.
Is that other kitchen over there also yours?
No,
Or
shut up.
as you can see, my dog.
Where's the dog? Okay.
Oh, he looks kind of like Miles. Has that surprised face.
I like your pictures that you have up here on the walls.
All my vegetables.
Yeah. I don't know why you have them up there, but
I like eating vegetables.
okay. I like this
I
leather.
also have a thing for herbs.
Yeah, I can see that.
See this?
Yeah.
That's a pumpkin. And that,
Yeah.
sage.
I never would have guessed it. Like, there's no way that I would have figured out that was sage and that was a pumpkin. I'm glad you were here to tell me these things. Thanks for the office tour.
You're welcome. I'm gonna get back to work.
Okay. Welcome to my closet.
Are those strangers part of your closet too?
I have such nice things in here.
When'd you get all the white people clothes? Actually, you have one somewhere. It's okay.
No, I'm just done. I'm done with you. Get out of my closet. This is my closet. It's not your closet. So, yeah. And then I have this vanity. And I don't know why Hayden's still in here. I would like for him to leave. So, thank you. Yeah, so this is my closet. It's so cute. No, it's not. It's pretty nice. So we're back home, obviously. Ikea was so fun, but I'm about to like lay down in bed and watch Euphoria season 2, and yeah, just go to bed and have a good night. I've been waiting a while, seen a lot of spoilers about Euphoria season 2 episode 1, so I'm ready.
background. I could play the background. Cause I know sometimes I get in the way. So won't you take the lead. So won't you take the lead. And I could play the background. And you can take the it's evident you run the show, so let me back down. You take the leading role, and I play the background. I know I miss my cues, know I forget my lines. I'm sticking to your script, and I'm reading all your signs. I don't need my name in lights, I don't need a star on the road. If I gain the whole wide world, if I'm just gonna lose my soul, and my ways ain't pure if I don't live according to your word. I can't enjoy this life without your wisdom being heard. So word to every dancer for a pop star, cause we all play the background, but mine's a rock star. Yeah, so if you need me, I'll be stage right. Praying the whole world will start embracing stage right. So let me fall back and stop giving my suggestions. Cause when I follow my obsessions, I end up confessing that I'm not that impressive. Matter of fact, I'm who I are, a trail of stardust leading to the superstar. Yeah. I could play the background. I could play the background. Cause I know sometimes I get in the way. So won't you take the lead? So won't you take the lead? Then I can play the background. And you can take the I had a dream that I was captain of my soul. I was master of my fate, lost control and then I sank. So I don't want to take the lead, cause I'm prone to make mistakes. All these folks who follow me gon' end up in the wrong place. So just let me shadow you, and just let me trace your lines. Matter of fact, just take my pen, here you create my rhymes. Cause if I do this by myself, I'm scared that I'll succeed. And no longer trust in you, cause I only trust in me. And see, that's how you end up headed to destruction. Paving the road to nowhere, pour your life out for nothing. You pull my card, I'm bluffing, you know what's in my hand. Me, I just roll and trust you, you cause the dice to land. I'm in control of nothing, follow you at any cost. And some call it sovereign will, all I know is you the boss. And man, I'm so at ease, I'm so content. I play the background like it's an instrument.